Does your dog get scared of loud noises like fireworks or thunderstorms? Don't worry, here are 5 quick tips to help them stay calm. Set up a cozy spot where your dog feels safe, like a quiet room or a crate with their favorite blanket and toys. Play their favorite game or give them a long-lasting chew treat to shift their focus away from the noise. Try a calming vest, dog-safe aromatherapy, or soothing music designed for pets. Dogs pick up on your emotions. Stay relaxed and speak to them in a reassuring tone. Use recordings of loud sounds at low volume to desensitize your dog over time. Gradually increase the volume as they adjust. Loud noises can be scary for dogs, but with love and patience, you can help them feel safe and secure.